pay less.
Oh, Lord.
I'm taking you to pay less.
Oh, Lord.
I'm working 2 jobs, Robinson. I'm a single parent. Your father, he's a bum. Let lose there. Okay?
So I go to my father. I tell my father, they take my shoes. Then he say, vengeance is for the enemy. Then I go, I take his 9mm gun. I take my shoes back and I rob the whole block on top of it. I'm a boss. Not only that, they take me to like juvenile because I was too small to go to big jail. So I go to the big jail and I see a guy next to me. He reading a book. I say, what you reading? Then he said, history. History about what? Then he said, 1804, Haiti was the first African American to gain independence.
Wait, hold on. Michael Jordan make the 23 shot too. Don't forget that. Yeah.
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about
Michael Jordan.
Haiti win the independence!
I don't have a problem with that. Like, I understand, dude. For real, like, I respect her.
Anyways, question.
Everybody knows that Mexicans turn up better.
Oh, Mexican. Everybody know they Jamaican do they dirty wine. Don't be talking about that.
What you talking? Shut up, dummy. Everybody know Haitian got their good at, but what you talking, man?
One question. How y'all like the host?
Yeah, bro. You know, let me tell you why. He treat me. He said free food. I'm going to the outside. Say, what's the food? You know what they give me? They said there's a water fountain. That's the water. I said, oh, my friend, you say free drinks, free food. I'm hungry. What you gonna feed me? He said, I'm sorry, man. It was a joke. I said, that's not a joke. You playing with my emotions. I'm hungry. Okay.
You know, it's like 30% of 90% of 90% of Haitian game. You say free stuff, they want to get back already. So don't go ahead and tell me that free stuff, okay? That's why you look like Terry Crews on the White Six movie.
Hold on, you don't even look like Terry Crews, my friend. You look like Ocho Cinco. Wait. I'm not finished with you. My friend, you're my brother. But my brother, what are you?
I'm going home, so it don't matter. I should let y'all know I'm out of here, man. Get out of here, man.
No, give me the mic. You see what my hat say? B-O-S-S.
But you gotta respect that. Everybody, God bless you. Have a good night.
Yeah, everybody, give it up for. I don't even know what y'all is, man. What's their name? It's okay, man. I'm gonna donate the 50 cents a day to y'all later on. That's just silly stuff. Man, hang glide with a burrito. Get out of here, man. Drowning in puddles and stuff.